In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make paid content in Telegram. If you run a channel and want to share exclusive material while earning from it, Telegram's paid content feature makes that simple. I'll walk you through the exact flow and give you helpful context along the way, so you know what to expect at each step. Start by opening the Telegram app. You'll need access to the channel where you plan to post, and you should have the right permissions to publish content there. Once you are in your channel, tap the paperclip icon to attach media. You can choose a photo, a video, or a file from your device. Take a moment to select the highest quality version you have and consider adding a clear, concise caption that explains what viewers will get once they unlock it. A thoughtful caption helps set expectations and can improve conversions. After you pick your media, you'll see a preview window. This is where you can review the content, double-check the caption, and make sure everything looks correct. In the top area of that preview, tap the three dots to open more options, then select Make Content Paid. This tells Telegram that the post should be locked behind a paywall. You'll now be prompted to set a price in Telegram stars. Stars are Telegram's in-app currency, and choosing the right price is important. Think about the unique value of your content and what your audience is willing to pay. Keep it fair and aligned with the depth or rarity of what you are sharing. You can always start with a modest price point and adjust your approach on future posts based on engagement and feedback you receive from your community. When you are satisfied with the price and preview, go ahead and post the content. In the channel, your audience will see a blurred image or thumbnail along with a lock and an unlock button. This is the paywall interface. Once a viewer taps unlock and pays with stars, the content becomes fully visible to them. The locked preview helps protect your material while still showing enough context to encourage purchases. If you used a caption, make sure it clearly communicates the benefit of unlocking to minimize confusion and improve trust. That's the full process. Thanks for watching.